How can we promise high-quality credit repair leads? CreditRepairLeadsExchange.com can never compromise the quality of the lead it offers. By acquiring high-quality credit repair leads from the CreditRepairLeadsExchange.com, you'll kickstart the growth for your company sales and see your business prosper today. These are generally some of the steps we employ to guarantee superior quality. Don't waste time. Call us, get in touch to see the difference, and get the real advantage at high-quality credit repair leads from the CreditRepairLeadsExchange.com.